How to buy tone on Tonkeeper. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create, Login and Delete, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the Tonkeeper app on your device. Make sure that you have created account on Tonkeeper. Then you will reach on the wallet section or the dashboard of Tonekeeper, where you can see the different options on the section. So in order to buy tone on Tonekeeper, simply tap buy and sell button at top of the screen. Now you will reach on this buy tone section where you can see all the tones here available on Tonekeeper. For example, let's tap on Transacts to buy tone with cards or bank transfer instantly, and after that you can simply tap on buy tone button. Now you will reach on the section where you can easily customize all the option. Suppose if one tone rate is equals to 5.09 euro, you can simply pay 100 euros and see that you receive only the estimate of 18.75 tons. Or you can also use the different kinds of payment method where now let's select the visa, and after a while you can easily see the fees calculations as well on the section. And once you are satisfied with everything, tap the buy now button, and after that you can successfully buy tone on Tonekeeper. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.